Hey y'all, back at again with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my best friend in Avia, which is her daughter. I don't think y'all seen her before, but we're at a picnic. We're doing a picnic day today. There's Jamia. Jamia, say hey. Avia, say hey. It's the peace sign for me. But we're downtown Tampa and we're having a little picnic day. The ambulance. But yeah, we're just we got some food. We got some, what did we get? Ramen? And Avia not with that yet, so she got her McDonald's. And we got some snacks and stuff, and it's just a vibe. How do you even say? I'm really Ichikoru ramen. Ichikoru.
Yo, what? Yo, soda right there. I bet you a Sprite. Dang, why your food looks so good.
It was the fries for me. Lord, bless and sanctify this food in Jesus' mighty name, where they give our body the nutrients it needs. Y'all know I'm a foodie, so.
Oh, it is there.
So I got a mushroom one because I don't eat meat, so it just has vegetables and the noodles. And we asked for extra noodles, so hopefully they blessed. Oh, they did, because it's full. This is what it looks like before I add the broth. And this is the place. I don't know if I'm saying their name right. Ichikuru. Whatever. But y'all get the drift. It's so good. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. They're expensive, but it's worth the money.
Oh, so they only give you the one shrimp versus the three shrimp.
So you just pour the broth over, and then you mix it up and let the noodles soak the broth that you just poured. And I got spicy. I don't even remember the name of it.
And I got hot chili oil.
Hers is a little spicy too, but it's not too spicy. Just put this down a little bit. So good. Should I do an ASMR? It is hot out here, okay? Extremely hot.
That's how it was with sushi, girl. You put me on to sushi.
I just be trying to, like, cause I know when I started trying new foods, I was very like skeptical. My aunt was getting on me. She was like, "How you gonna know if you don't like it if you never tried it?" And I was like, "You right." Oh, the bug!
Be careful.
Dropped it on my leg.
Huh? Here, baby.
This sauce is hella spicy. Y'all hear me? So spicy, but I love spice, so it can never be too spicy. That makes the food so much fun to me. When it's spicy, it just gives it a little, you know, attitude. It is going in. Y'all hear me? They blessed with the noodles though, not even gonna lie.
I'm gonna have to wash this.
Oh, the towel. But we made it to the beach. This is the next day, and I'm at the beach with some of my other friends, Boris, Deja, and her friend Destiny. Deja's birthday is tomorrow, so we're kind of pre-celebrating Anna Maria Beach. Oh, it's real hot out here in these streets, but look at the beach.
Here, looking like a total snook.
The blurriness, like, the background, contrast. Anyways, hey guys, so we're back and we're getting some food from
we're gonna eat
Zanzibar. Eat the girls up. Oh, it's a glare. You can't really see the sign. Oh, there it goes. So yeah, we've never been, but Boris said he's seen it on TikTok, so we're giving it a try. Hello. It's dark. Me too, please. Thank you so much. Gotta stay, but how I leave the house in a panoramic without a mask. It's just another sad That's a bit sketchy.
The drinks are right here. The drinks, we got them right there.
Holly.
Greek trip. Did you say Greek trip? I didn't bring no hands. I left it in the bag. Do you have anybody have any?
What?
Hand sanitizer.
Yeah. Well, I thought you said head tie.
No. What am I gonna tie? Tie the wig right on off my head.
It's blueberry scent.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Do you want hand sanitizer, Boris? No. You just gonna eat all the germs? I love you. They're jamming, okay? Not the Whitney Houston. Restaurant. They're playing It's Just Another Sad Love Song. Vegan burger.
Hey guys, how are we doing today?
I'm good, thank you. Sorry.
We're good. My name is Jalen. I'll be taking care of you guys.
Hi, Jalen.
What's the best thing on the menu?
The best thing on the menu.
Can I have a straw?
A straw, of course.
And when you get a chance, plastic silverware for me.
Yeah, can I get a straw? What was it?
Plastic silverware.
just come in.
Just come because I came.
Awesome. Well, I'll be back with some straws. I'll bring out that plastic silverware when I do.
Okay.
Come out, is that okay?
Let's start with the crispy Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, of course.
Please.
My favorite.
Sounds so good right now.
So good.
We just jinxed Boris because he finally got ID'd, y'all.
This is the first time I'm being. I just know you can't go wrong with a strawberry daiquiri.
But they're so sweet. Those are extremely sweet. Just a little cool off. It's definitely Boris for sure. Y'all, we got some pretty fire pictures. If I do say so
This thing was giving.
Is it not on? Why has my airdrop been acting up lately? It's on for everybody. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Wait, can you see mine?
Straws and the drinks, okay?
It's us sitting in the sun. I'm gonna be so dark on this side.
I gotta pull these things so I don't get
Colada.
They made this strong as hell.
Boris got a strawberry daiquiri and he got carded, y'all, for the first time in his life.
Or maybe
My boy got carded.
Alcohol at the bottom.
The mix.
After, that's why. What is this?
Pork bread, that's you, yeah.
Oh, that's me.
The presentation is nice.
It's immaculate. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, I'm a vlog, y'all. That's me. Thanks, Jasper. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's giving classy, okay? Very much about my business. Brussels sprouts. Boris got pork belly flatbread. Deja got oysters. And Destiny got wedges.
That's good? Yeah, that was good.
It's good.
It's too much start. I'm having a really good day with you guys.
Yeah, same.
Especially like really like hanging out with the person.
Right.
And I follow you on Instagram, right?
I'm not sure.
Totally Destiny.
Cause I would like, that would be crazy if I didn't follow back. Cause I know that you always with Miss Didi. The rest of the food. I got some stuffed shrimp, some hush puppies, and steamed vegetables. Boris got, everybody else got what I was gonna get. All that jazz, Deja, Destiny, period. My boy Boris. Sorry, Lord. Let's finish eating at this sandbar. A sandbar, I mean?
This was really cute. It's giving.
It was nice, y'all. I'm stuffed. The girl is full. The food was pretty good too, though. What did I get? Stuffed shrimp? Stuffed shrimp with
Stuffed
crab?
shrimp.
Or
And,
stuffed shrimp that had crab in it.
Was it fried
It was really
Brussels
good.
sprouts?
The Brussels sprouts, bomb, fire. 10 out of 10 recommend.
10
So if
out
you're
of
in the
10.
Bradenton, if you're in the Bradenton area,
Anna Maria pool.
definitely check out Anna Maria and check out Sandbar Restaurant. Highly recommend. You won't be disappointed. This tan is about to be something serious because the sun was very much sunning. The sun was giving the girls scorching. It's the wind. Hold on.
Now hold on. Drunk people should never laugh.
Boring. Who said? So we made it back on the beach. The sunset is about to. The setup is done. The umbrella said, "What are y'all about to come back to? Everything's turned over. Everything's gone. Now hold on." Whew. Child, I'm so full. I can't even stand up straight. Like, no, where is the umbrella? Is at? Deja, the walker shade. Look how the umbrella came from over here. It was literally right here and ended up all the way over there. The ghetto. Bra-ta-ta-ta. All right, we gotta get the tunes running. But no, I'm literally stuffed. That was a good restaurant though, high key. It's a little gym, a hidden gym at Anna Maria. Plug if y'all ever in Anna Maria, Bradenton, Sarasota area. It's lit. Alright.
Wait, are you going different ways?
I'll bring this way.
Oh, yeah, because you gotta walk in different. Okay.
What should I do at first?
This
Y'all, so it's the next day and it's Deja's birthday dinner. Wow, the battery's dying, but we went to World of Beer, but they were closing, so now we're at Smoky Bones. So y'all, I made it home after the birthday dinner with Deja and everyone. What is this? Oh. But tonight was a vibe. We had fun. Like, even though World of Beer closed early and we had to relocate to Smoky Bones, it was still a vibe. We had fun. Deja, I hope you enjoyed your 21st birthday. And I wish you many, many more to come. And you my girl for life. Pure. But no, for real. Like, I really hope you enjoyed your day. And we're still celebrating this weekend. So, to be continued. But what was I gonna say to y'all? My camera died, so I didn't get much footage from tonight. So this is on my phone. And I wanted to properly close out the vlog. I vlogged this entire weekend. I hope y'all enjoy and all that jazz. So yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to subscribe to Brit's YouTube because this is where it's at. It's summer and we outside. I don't know if they told y'all, but we outside. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.